Now, if the Phantom is a grand palace, then the Dawn is a luxurious seaside villa, a retreat where elegance meets the horizon. It's the car you want to be seen in, cruising along the French Riviera, the wind in your hair, the sun kissing your skin, and the world admiring your impeccable taste. The Dawn is a convertible, but not just any convertible, it's a masterpiece of design and engineering. The roof folds down silently in a ballet of engineering precision, transforming the Dawn from a stylish coupe into a glamorous open-top cruiser, perfect for those sun-drenched days and starry nights. But here's the thing about the Dawn, it's not just about looking good, it's about embodying a lifestyle of sophistication and comfort. It's also about feeling good. Every detail inside the cabin is crafted to perfection. The leather seats are like sinking into a warm bath, enveloping you in luxury, while the air suspension glides over bumps in the road as if they weren't there, ensuring a smooth and serene ride. And let's talk about that engine for a moment, shall we? It's not just a powerhouse, it's a symphony of performance. It's a 6.6-liter twin-turbocharged V12, which means it's got more power than you could ever need, delivering a driving experience that's both exhilarating and refined. But it's not about raw speed here, it's about effortless acceleration, about wafting along the road with a sense of unhurried grace, making every journey a pleasure. The Dawn is also surprisingly practical, with room for 4 adults and a trunk big enough for a weekend's worth of luggage, blending luxury with functionality. It's for those who appreciate the finer things in life and want to make a statement wherever they go, turning heads and capturing hearts with every arrival.